Hello traders, today I'm going to share with you one of the best and most profitable binary option strategy on Pocket Option Broker. Set your candle time frame to 30 seconds and your trade expiry time to 2 minutes and add the following indicators to your charts. The MACD indicator, moving average and stochastic oscillator. The indicators are not used with default settings, so change the period of the moving average to 50 and the type should be SMA. Change the color if you want and add the thickness. For the MACD indicator, change the fast period to 9 and add the line thickness and save.
Steady moving market to place trades like the put option trade on the screen.
For the stochastic oscillator, change the K period to 50 and the D period is not used. Change the overbought to 82 and the oversold to 13. Add the line thickness and save. If this is your first time watching Binary Trending channel, then subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on new content. Today I'm sharing the full session with this strategy and I will recommend you watch till the end, and if you don't have a Pocket Option account, the link is in the video description, including the link to my Telegram channel where I send free binary option signals. The stochastic oscillator upper line is the overbought and the lower line is the oversold. This strategy gives entry points following only the overbought and oversold levels of the stochastic oscillator, and the signals are confirmed by the MACD indicator. Before you start looking for an entry point, make sure the simple moving average is moving with the candles together like on the screen, because the strategy only works when the market is ranging. When the stochastic oscillator goes to the overbought condition as on the screen and start leaving downward as indicated with the arrow, it gives a sell signal for put option trades, and the signal is confirmed by the MACD indicator as the candles of the MACD indicator are red and moving downward and the MACD indicator lines are crossing downward. When all the conditions are as mentioned, it makes it a very good entry point and the results are really good. Make sure to watch the video till the end in order to see the results I have made with this strategy throughout this week. First trades closed in profit grade. This is an entry point and the simple moving average is moving between the candles, indicating the market is ranging. The call option trades I place follows the stochastic oscillator as it went to the oversold condition and now it's leaving upward. The call option entry signal is confirmed by the MACD indicator as its candles are green and going upward. Let's see how the two call option trades will play out. The strategy gives absolute profit when you follow it correctly. I'm sure you know why I placed a put option trade at this entry point by now, and if you don't know or understand anything in the video, then let me know in the comment section or write me on Telegram using the link in the video description. Another trade closed in absolute profit here. These are my past sessions, including today's session, trading only with this strategy. I have been following the strategy and closing every session with profit. Take into consideration the economic calendar before trading to avoid the high volatility that comes in during the news. Thank you all for watching, and make sure to subscribe to stay connected.